It was 1960s in Taiwan, Asia, the time in history where men were considered far superior to women and society catered to the men. Women were thought to have little significance. Their only purpose was to produce offspring. Whenever a baby was born in Taiwan, the family would have celebration. If the child was a boy, friends and family would lavish the child with gifts. The only gifts a girl child received were eggs, symbolizing her sole purpose was to grow up, marry, and reproduce. One little girl faced the difficult challenges of growing up in such a culture and rose above what society told her she could be. She never let circumstances get in her way, and now she stands as an example to provide hope for women everywhere. This is the story of a little girl called Grace.